Welcome to another video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like comment. Thank you. Let's move on to our video. Certainly. Here's a natural face mask recipe using common kitchen ingredients that can help promote glowing skin. Brightening turmeric and honey face mask. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon plain yogurt, optional. A few drops of lemon juice, optional. Instructions: in a bowl, mix the turmeric powder and honey together until well combined. If you choose to add yogurt, mix it into the turmeric and honey mixture. Yogurt can add extra hydration and a soothing effect to the mask. Optionally, you can add a few drops of lemon juice for its brightening properties, but be cautious as lemon juice can be irritating for sensitive skin. Do a patch test if you're unsure. Apply the mask evenly to your cleansed face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep in mind that turmeric can stain, so avoid getting the mask on your clothes or other fabrics. Gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water, using gentle circular motions to exfoliate the skin as you rinse. Pat your skin dry and follow up with your regular moisturizer. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help brighten the skin and improve its overall radiance. Honey is a natural humectant that moisturizes and soothes the skin, while yogurt can provide additional hydration and a gentle exfoliation. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, which can help even out the skin tone and promote a healthy glow. As always, it's important to do a patch test before applying any new ingredients to your face, especially if you have sensitive skin or allergies. If you're new to using turmeric on your skin, consider starting with a small amount to see how your skin reacts. If you have any known allergies, skin conditions, or concerns, it's a good idea to consult with a dermatologist before trying new skincare products or treatments, even if they're made from natural ingredients. Thank you for watching this video, and to watch such informative videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon button so that the notification of upcoming videos can reach you.